Uway na ki aktor papaw ha kakam ak film ha Bollywood Rajkumar Rao ubalaak habun teli ki film Hindi kum ka Omerta Shahid ulapan paw ya kejengkermen bagi film Bollywood kinwan jakani ka jela ban penpaw ya kejeng ruspa jong kejeng itenat jong kane katany urau la yutu ba way ni ki ba itu itau ba ula syong kurim ya ka aktris Patra Lekhak Paul kabadai na Shillong menta udon hakne kenong ba ban play ya ka Cherry Beans Cafe kabadon Haji S Road haba keren berkinang to okbor haba play ya kene kedukan cafe urau ulaong ba usim ya ka Shillong kum ka ying ka ba ar ka jong u bat uwat ya kalat ban wan sya kene kenong ba nakapor sya kapor.
So it will happen. It has started, and I also hope and I also pray it should happen more and more. There should be more and more inclusivity, in our industry. But now I know in near future there are a lot of like series and work happening, which my friends are only making, and there'll be a great. You'll see a lot of talent from the northeast.
Also, I feel the scripts have to be written a certain way. And I just wish there are more writers from Shillong, from the northeast of our country, because they understand the pulse. They understand the stories. They'll write stories for this region, and that's when the integration will start happening. See, we have so many writers right now from north, right? That's why films are being made about UP and Delhi, and so I just feel like now it's coming into, like, there are writers that are writing stuff.
I think our trips together as a family to cheer up in the to Dauki, those long drives, and sometimes just to be at home and doing nothing, because our industry is always running. We're always on the run, running from one place to another, and Shillong gives us that time and comfort just to sometimes be at home and do nothing.
And people are just so lovely here. Yeah. They give you the space. Yeah. Also, they respect your space, and I just feel like so much warmth here.
Yeah, a lot of people call, like when they meet me, they call me you are our Jamai, you are our son-in-law, which is a great feeling, of course. It is. We've shot a lot of films here already.
The last movie that we saw,
Anubhav Sinha sir, he shot Anek here with Ashwan Khurana, and Shillong is a beautiful, place for shooting locations. There are amazing locations out there, and I'm sure there'll be more and more films
People
coming
are
back.
very intrigued with our city, and Rock On was shot here. Rock On 2 was shot here. A lot of web series are being shot here.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's coming.
It's booming slowly.
Thank you.
Shillong is my second home, but Lekha is from Shillong. She was born and raised here, so I always love coming back to Shillong. Actually, I look for excuses, but now we have this beautiful cafe here. We opened this cafe, and we want all the people, all the Shillong people, and even the tourists to come and have this experience, because it's one of its kind.
Shillong is the rock capital of our country, and I'm so proud to be from Shillong, because every time I'm meeting people in Mumbai, they're like, "Oh my God, you're from Shillong. The culture of music is so good there." So I mean, we try to integrate, our local artists. They are super talented, and we hope we give them a place to perform. And I hope people enjoy listening to
Live music, local artists.
Yeah.
Sir,
Hopefully, I hope जल्दी हो, because मुझे शिलोंग, जैसे मैंने कहा, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है शिलोंग आना. अभी अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा कुछ नियर फ्यूचर में नहीं है, पर आई होप जल्दी कोई शूट आए, जिससे कि शिलोंग में तो हमारा घर भी है और अब हमारा कैफे भी है. तो आई थिंक इट विल बी ग्रेट टू कम हियर, वर्क, डू व्हाट यू लव, एंड एंजॉय द टाइम इन कैफे, बी एट होम विद द फैमिली.
If you have beauty, this beauty cannot be found anywhere. Yeah. So I think people are exploring, the government's open up its hands to the film industry, and I feel like there's going to be a definite surge.
Yeah.